Okay, so here we are back at the Avalon Acting and Modeling Center site, and what I want to do is I want to show you how to add a slide to the home page here. So these slides are 1600 pixels in width, roughly about 1065 pixels in height. You really want to make sure that they're 1600 pixels in width and they're at least around 1050 pixels in height. They need to be above that because as you can see, as we move these, they're going to take up the whole page and they're going to resize as we resize that screen. So as we see over here, we see that we have these three different slides here on the home page, and I'm going to go ahead and add another slide. This little thing coming up right down here, this is actually the title of the slide. Let's go ahead and go into the administrative interface. I'll show you what I mean. Come down to the home page slider and click on home page slider, and I'll see the three slides that are in here right now. Two ways I can add a slide. I can click add new slide over here, or I can click add new slide up there. They go to the exact same place. I'm going to call this test slide. And I'm not going to put anything in here, and I'm not going to put anything in the excerpt. They're not going to show up anywhere. Could give it a link if I wanted to. Just copy and paste in a link if you want to, and then anytime anybody clicks anywhere on the slide, it'll actually go to that link. But what I do need to do, I do need to set a featured image, and I'm going to upload a new file. Go to my desktop here. I believe I have a slide 4. There we go. All right. It will automatically upload the file, and it will automatically have a little plus sign, and all I have to do is click set featured image, and now it's got that featured in there. Now I'm going to click publish. Come over here to the front of our Avalon Acting and Modeling Center site, and voila, I have a new photo right there. But now, what if I didn't want this photo to be first? What if I wanted it to be after all of these? So there is a way to do that. The system doesn't have a way to organize them. It just organizes them by date, but that's okay because WordPress gives us the option of changing the date. As we see, all of these were published on February 3rd, 2013. So if I made the publishing date, the date that this was published, older, then it would appear down at the bottom of this list. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come right over here and see where it says published on February 12th. See this little edit screen right here? I'm just going to take that one away so that now it's published on February 2nd. And now I'm going to click update. And now when I come to the site and I refresh, now we see that we've returned to our original picture and that this new picture is down here on the bottom. So I don't actually want this test slide in there. I don't need it. Let me go ahead and refresh this page. Now you see when I refresh even the index that's dropped down to the bottom. But I actually don't want that slide there. So how do I remove that slide? I just come up here and I click trash. That's all I do, and that slide will go away. And then I can come in here and you'll see we've got some slides already in here. And I'm going to say I want to delete all of those permanently. And now those are all gone. And all I have are just my original 3 slides. Come back to the front, refresh, and now we see that third slide is gone. And remember, whatever you put into the title field is what's going to appear in here. So as you can see, I've actually named these Welcome to Avalon Acting and Modeling Center, Professional Acting and Modeling for Professional Applications. And that's what you see here as a person scrolls through these. So just be aware that the title of those slides is what's going to appear up here. So that is how you add and delete slides in the Avalon Acting and Modeling Center site.